Our next set of awards are for excellence in manufacturing of wagons or containers.
This award goes to Jindal Rail Infrastructure Limited. Congratulations.
As Indian Railways is rolling out many measures for achieving 3.17 billion ton loading target by 2031 and increasing rail modal share up by 44% by 2051 to reduce carbon footprints and improve economy of the country. Jindal Rail Infrastructure Limited is contributing in a significant manner to the Indian Railway efforts for boosting the rail modal share of finished steel products, bulk cement, automobiles and other similar commodities.
Good afternoon everyone. It is our pride to get honored from Rail Analysis India and especially from the jury. It is a team effort of Jindal Rail Infrastructure Limited. We are contributing to freight car solution for quite some time and will be on. Thank you, sir.